it's your girl Malika Lomu, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing Spin Blast Fashion Studio. I'm so excited to show you guys how I use Spin Blast on my own clothes. So let's get into it. Now you want to lay out some rags or newspapers that you find around the house. First we have the directions. Then we have the cute stamps I will be using to make my own DIY fashion clothes. So here is the Spin Blaster, where I put the stamps on here, spin it, add my color, and then stamp it on the clothes. It was really fun and easy to use. Then we have the 4 colors, blue, yellow, red, and white. Then we have the blaster. You just put the paint in the cap, spin it back on, then blast away. Here are the alphabet stencils, and last we have a cardboard sheet to put between the clothes just to make sure it doesn't bleed through. Now I'll be taking that same cardboard, just putting it inside the shirt where I'll be stamping. And then you take your blaster, and I decided to use these cute hearts, a big one and a small one, to put on the shirt. And I'm just going to take the small one, snap it in the middle, and I picked red to put on the heart. So now I'm just going to spin it while I add red. After I added red, I added a bit of yellow, I took it off, and now I'm about to stamp it on. So while I was stamping it on, I just put the paint inside the lid of the blaster, put it back on, and now I'm just going to score it away. Now I'm just going to repeat those steps, doing it all around the shirt. Now we're moving on to this super cute skirt I decided to use. Now I'm just sliding the cardboard under the bottom right because that's where I will be doing my design. So I decided to use the alphabet stencils and use an M, just to make my mark on there. And so I'm just going to take off the M very carefully and stick it right on the skirt. I decided to use the star stamp, and I wanted to use the color pink, but since I had limited color, I decided to use red and white, and I got a color pretty close to pink. I'm just picking the star up carefully and stamping it on the M. I'm going to be grabbing the blaster, putting some blue inside the lid, and blasting away. Now I will be moving on to these white shoes. The only challenge for me with the blaster in this one was that when I put it in the lid and I put it back on and then I would splat it, it would splat like a really thick piece of splat onto the shoe, which I didn't really like, but other than that, I really liked the color and the way it came out. Now that was a lot of fun. Be sure to let the paint dry for at least 24 hours. Now I'm going to show you the final product. So this is how the shirt came out. I had to work with the colors that I had, which were yellow, red, blue, and white. And I think I did a pretty good job. So with this skirt, since I had limited colors, I discovered that if I have enough white and red, I can make pink. And I also used the stickers. I made a little M for Millie. I really like how this came out, especially the blue little splatters, and I'm really proud of it. So for these shoes, I mixed red and blue. I wasn't sure of this at first, and then I realized these shoes are super cool, and I'm 100% gonna wear them tomorrow. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I will also be leaving a link in the description box down below where you guys can get your own spin blast. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!